There's one right now. He gave him the practice run, and this time he gets it right.
Well, he probably mentioned don't bowl fast off spinners to me. You might get away with it once, you won't get away with it twice. He's a great player of quicks. Fast bowling, bang. Oh, he's got a curve on it, you know, he's hit it right in the middle. Launched on the front foot, he said, well, he made his mind up. I have no doubt the ball before us. If he bowls it short, he's going to disappear. And disappear he did. It's his first boundary.
Sweep shot this time. Whether he hit it or not, it's four. Costly, no ball.
That's a good shot.
Well, this is a tremendous strike from Inzamam ul Haq. Tremendous shot. Long on was in place, and that was a skimmer. Brilliantly hit. Down the track, it's a big one, it's a cracking shot. That's gone the distance. First six of the match.
It's gone.
That's gone through as well. Mighty Inzamam ul Haq has come into his own. Six.
So, is he going to attack Yuvraj Singh? Will he go downtown again? Oh, he's in a lot of trouble here, Yuvraj. It might be enough for him. Another four. It's time to change. Mr. Ganguly, skipper from India, you've got to do something. Yuvraj has lost it.
Balaji has been put away. What a hit. That's gone for six. Flick of the wrist. Inzamam ul Haq has struck a purple patch here. Tremendous strike from the Pakistani captain. What? He's gone square this time. Has he found the gap? Tremendous batting by Inzamam ul Haq. Tremendous power play by the skipper.
Oh, now, has he played that very cleverly? Or has he missed it altogether? He's missed it altogether. I thought for a moment he's just run it off the blade of the bat, but he's hit that. Miles just stood up, looked at him, and he's pulled it well in front of square. In fact, between deep mid-wicket and wide long on.
Well, this is the advantage when you're looking to pull a leg spinner. You get the natural bounce that comes with the overspin. This is one of...
Places it, gets his 100. What an arena to get your 100. Tremendous innings from Inzamam ul Haq. Tenth one-day 100. Tremendous knock. For a man who scored 69 50s and only 800s before this series, he's got two in a week. Delicately placed. Will that run away? Yes. Another four for Inzamam ul Haq. This is a clever piece of batting. Oh, that's a powerful drive. Inzamam ul Haq has played a terrific cover drive. Blind. Slow one. Going very quickly. Gone all with it. Another six.